Hello, you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle TV. If you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Just to let you know that today there won't be live streaming because I will be going for a virtual event. As you can see, I am looking gorgeously dressed, and I'm going there to beam for the camera. Trust me. So I've tied this gele, which you're going to see me do. This is as good as being live. I'm not editing anything. So you're going to see how I did it. So there's nothing like editing on this video. So watch it to the end, and please subscribe, support African black business. African business must grow. And I'm going for self-development program. So you're going to see me, so I'll come back and give you guys a feedback. And if you have the opportunity, don't fail to grab it, because you have to prepare yourself to while waiting for the opportunity. You have to prepare yourself. You don't want to wait for the opportunity and then you say, oh, I cannot. It's just like somebody giving you a car key and you cannot drive. What do? So get up and start working. See you. God bless you. Keep watching. Bye. Love you. Keep loving yourself. God bless you. Bye. Hello, you're welcome to my lifestyle. My name is Mary. In case you're just stumbling on this channel for the first time, this is Mary's Lifestyle TV. Just to let you know that there won't be any live streaming today. The reason being that I'm going to be attending a live event, a virtual live event. But before then, I want to doll up my face for the camera. So that's why I'm doing this. So in the absence of the live event, let me do this before. Okay. So in the absence of the live event, please kindly go to, sorry, sometimes you don't want to talk when you're doing makeup. It could be very I'm going to be using my hands. I don't really use I have all the brush, but I prefer to use my hand to pat, and it gives me a nice finish anyway. So if you don't have brush, you don't have any reason not to do your makeup and look good. So that's what I do. I'm done there. Yeah. So I'm going to apply a little here as well. At the top here. At the top here as well. You're going to see the kind of transformation I'm going to get with my hands. You can imagine if I use brush. So once I'm done, this part of my face is darker than my other part of my face, so just want to blend it in. This finger is good. This finger is very good. That's what I use. This one is a brush. This is my brush when I'm doing my makeup. So this live event, I try my, like I think I always mention in my videos about self-development. So this event just came up and I noticed it's something that will benefit me at the long run. So I decided to jump into it and register to attend, because I have to invest in myself. If I don't invest in myself, I will be doing myself disservice, because when the opportunity comes and I don't have what I need to, get that opportunity, it will pass me by. So what I do is I keep preparing myself for the opportunity, and one day, when the time comes, when God time comes, I will get to the top. I know I am blessed already. So I don't know, I don't really do a lot, but what I'm going to do now, because it's at home, I think this is enough for me. I don't want to do too much, so I will just apply some powder here. No highlighting. I'm not highlighting anything today, so just this is okay. I think that's okay there. So I'm going to apply the top-notch makeup here. Okay, let me work on my lips. I'm going to work on my lips. Which color do I use? Okay, I'm going to apply a layer of this again. My upper lips, lower lips. So please, anytime you have opportunity to go for a conference, seminar, workshop, don't hesitate. Take it. I just like to, just a little. I don't like too much makeup. I don't do too much makeup, because I want you guys, whenever you see me on my channel or on the road, you just say, oh, that's Mary. I know this woman, that's Mary. I don't want you to see me. When you see me, you're like, huh, that face looks familiar. Is that supposed to be Mary's Lifestyle? No. Is that Mary's Lifestyle TV? Oh yes, that's Mary's Lifestyle TV. I want you, when you see me, you just know this is Mary's Lifestyle TV. This is Mary's Lifestyle TV. The amazing woman, the lady that, God has used to touch lives. That is how I want you to know me. And by the grace of God, as you're listening, please go and implement it though. Go and implement it. And if you're just stopping by, maybe you just come across this channel today. My name is Mary. I am a creative entrepreneur and a fashion designer. So I use my creativity to bless women, to teach women how to build a self-confidence and empower themselves financially and mentally. There are so many ways you can empower yourself. It's not just by, it's not just by, working. Mentally, you can empower yourself. Spiritually, you can empower yourself. Financially, you can empower yourself. Psychologically, you have to build your self-confidence. So that is what I do. I attend events, I attend conferences, I attend anything that will make me better than the way I was yesterday. I try my best to, try to achieve that. This is my brown pencil, which I use for my eyeliner, so eyebrow. So I'm going to be using this to, then I will use my Vaseline to dab my lips. Can you see the difference? So once I'm done, okay, I'm going to be using this now. This is my go-to. I'm using this one. I don't really show names though, if you can see. I'm using this now for my eyeliner, I have to close one eye so that I can line it properly. Yeah, just to pop the eye. You can see the difference now between this eye and that eye and the other one. You can see the difference, right? So if I want it, I can still make it a bit longer, but I think that's enough. I'm not using mirror. When I'm done here, I will go and look at it in the mirror anyway. So I just want you guys to know. That's what I do. I think that's too much about that. Okay, so I'm going to be tying my gele now. I'm going for this conference. It's virtual conference, but I'm going to tie this awesome gele that when they see me, they will know that Mama Africa has arrived, because I am African. I celebrate African wherever and whenever I can. So you're welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. And for the new for the old subscribers, thank you for always staying by. And just to inform you that they won't be live streaming today, so please watch this video and watch the previous one and leave me a comment as usual. I love you guys so much. So now I'm going to be tying this. Hopefully I'm going to tie it nicely, and yeah, I'm going to try my best. I'm not sure of this one, but I will try my best. So just watch what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to do something like this time around. I'm going to do that. Sometimes it could be hard, but I'm not going to make it hard. I'm just going to what I'm doing here is, I'm telling you, it's live, so I'm not going to edit anything at the end of the day. So if I can do this in less than a minute, or less than, yes, in some few minutes, I know you can do even better when you take your time to do it. So yeah, when I get into the room, I'm going to use a pin to secure that nicely. So this is what I've gotten within this period. So I'm going to look for a pin. Once I'm done here with you guys, I'll go look for a pin, secure that nicely, and I'll go for my virtual event. This looks great. I like it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah, do you like it? If you like it, just give me thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and see you when I come back. I'm going to, I think, if I can take a picture on the screen, I'll upload it. Otherwise, I will let you know how it went. So thank you for staying by, and God bless you so much. I love you guys. Okay, bye bye. Be good to yourself and show kindness. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye.